There are many benefits of outdoor learning. It's not just about getting children outdoors in the fresh air. It's about teaching new skills, unplugging them from that technology, getting them outside and reconnecting them with nature. The National Forests have an aspiration to have 100% of schools, early years, primary and secondary, doing some form of outdoor learning. Over 90% of primary schools are now doing outdoor learning or forest school learning. And then at sort of secondary level, it's more looking at outdoors as a vocation or a career path.
We are a 3 to 19 specialist SEND provision, and we cater for a really diverse range of needs. The site that we have is about 3.5 acres, and it wraps around the entire school site. All of our learners have access to the woods, so it's a really inclusive space. We've had capital grants, and we've also had bursaries to fund forest school practitioners. And it's really amazing to know that we've probably funded about 16 practitioners, and they work across all of the departments in schools. So our learners come up all year round, and they can access the opportunities that only happen outdoors. As soon as you step outside, the impact on your nervous system, is undeniable. And we see that with our learners, and that's something that's really, really special.
I like being in the forest. There's so many things you can see. It's very good, it's very nice. Amazing.
The Level 1 award, Forestry in the Community, means that our learners have been able to access something that previously they weren't able to. Having the partnership with the National Forest has enabled us to keep doing that. It is pretty magical what we can achieve.
We realise that some of the challenges that all schools are facing, it's staff time, it's funding, it's having the knowledge. So it's my role as the outdoor learning officer to support schools in many different ways. So whether that's through grant funding to help them with staff training or actual building works or resources that they might need for outdoor learning, but also I'm here as an advisor. I'm happy to go into schools, meet teachers, talk through what ideas they've got. I can also sort of look at the local green spaces or woodlands that they can access, and they can use those for outdoor learning as well.
We're back onto Battlestead Hill, which is a massive woodland, so we're really lucky that we've got that. And we currently offer our outdoor education programme to years 9 to year 11. I felt really passionate that we needed to offer something alongside GCSEs. The National Forest offer a Level 1 Forestry in the Community qualification. So it's 4 units. The students work through it over the year, and they gain a Level 1 qualification that they can get them into college. So they've been learning how to use bow saws, pruning saws, loppers, secateurs, so just the skills needed to manage the woodland.
They seem to respond really well because they've got the freedom to be out here. We pace the lessons so that it's a relaxed atmosphere.
Today we have done pruning on the trees so they're even and grow better in the future.
Calms me, definitely. It helps clear my mind.
It's really fun, really calming. Obviously, learn about different types of tools.
And identify trees.
Working with this class is really good, and I think everyone here is just really nice and friendly.
Offering this qualification has seen an improvement in attendance, so we've got students that do come into school now that have previously struggled. When they're doing the tasks out here, they see it instantly and they're looking after their woodland.
The National Forests are an absolute joy to work with. They have some really passionate people that form their team.
The first steps are always sometimes the most daunting, but it can be completely life-changing for the learners and the pupils that you support in your schools. Just get in contact with us. We can give you free advice. We can come out and make that linkage. We're happy to support in any way that we can.